I'm headed to pick up a Nike Ignite right-handed putter. Nike putters tend to sell really fast just because everyone knows Nike doesn't manufacture anymore. I'm very excited about this putter. I love dirty clubs. I'll explain why in a second. First, I'm going to show you what I got. So for $40, we got ourselves this Nike Ignite 001. The insert is in excellent condition, and as bad as the sole looks, this actually gets me excited because you can tell that the scratches are very superficial, and this discoloration that you see is because there used to be some kind of a sticker on this. So this is extra easy to clean up in the Shining Shack. And the reason why I was telling you that I love dirty or rusty clubs is because usually when people see these on marketplace, they don't buy them. The seller ends up lowering its price. But removing rust and cleaning clubs is the easiest and quickest operation when you're flipping golf clubs. Just a little barkeeper's friend and a toothbrush will bring this putter almost like new. As for the grip, it does have some signs of wear. It still has a great texture. It's not chewed up, and it's the original Nike grip. I think I'm gonna risk it and keep it. I think that in this case, it's a bit of a gamble. So we're gonna start by heading to the Shining Shack so that you can see how quickly this sole will be brought back to new. And just to show you how quick it is, I'm not gonna edit that part. We'll then come back here, clean the club up, so stick around to see how much this will go for. One thing left to do, let's get to work. You see now why I like dirty putters so much? You saw how easy that was. I could have spent more time in the Shining Shack to make it absolutely perfect, but at that point I wasn't sure it was going to give it more value. And I'll be honest, I was also trying to prove a point. I'm really excited about this flip. Maybe too excited. I'm going to post this for $90. Or like I usually do, I'll post it at $110, then drop the price down immediately to $90 so people think that they're getting a really good deal. As for the grip, the cleaning did not make it look better. So here's an important sales tactic. If I post this putter and write that the grip is done, chances are people will message me saying, considering the grip is done, would you accept $70 or $80? Or I post this for $90, but then I write that considering the grip is done, I'm willing to change the grip for an extra fee before the buyer picks it up. You see the difference? I make the exact same profit, but I make it sound like there's something in it for the buyer rather than the opposite. Now, like I usually do, if I don't get any messages in the first 24 hours, I'm gonna bring the price down to $80. If after another 24 hours I still have no messages, I will bring it down to $70. But between you and I, I'll accept anything over $60 because a $20 profit for a 10-minute job brings me to $120 an hour, which is much over my minimum $50 an hour requirement. The putter sold for $80 in 48 hours. I'll redo the math. The flip itself took 10 minutes. If I include the time it took me to post the ad and interact with the buyer, let's say this flip took me a total of 20 minutes. Posting an ad takes me max 2 minutes because my app does it for me. And I did forget to include the normal wear of tools, materials, and my gas, which overall I estimate at about $5. So I bought the putter $40. I have $5 of expenses. I sold the putter for $80, giving me a $35 profit for a 20-minute job, meaning I'm still making $105 an hour with this putter. So I'm considering this was a successful flip. Stick around for the next one. See you next time.